Welcome back. This is vlog 26. I'm at Taylor Lake Park right now. It's a really nice park. There's some very big, tall pine trees there. There's a what is that? It's not a willow tree. What is that? Shoot, I forgot. I know what it is, but I just forgot the name right now. There's this really cool tree over here with the vines hanging down. This should be a really nice spot to fly. There's like hardly anyone out right now. That's because it's New Year's Eve, and yeah, it's the sun, obviously, as you can see, is a bit low right now, so that's probably why everyone's not here. They're all like getting ready for a party. I'm going to a party, but that starts at 10, so I got a bit before I have to go there. But sun, jeez. But this should be a really nice spot to fly. I'm excited to fly around these trees. They're a lot taller than the ones up in Jacksonville for some reason. Like the ones in Jacksonville are probably around like that height of those ones right there, but these ones are like about there, and those are about the same distance away. So these trees are a bit taller over here. It should be good. Should be a good spot to fly, honestly. That is the end of the flying for today. This was a really nice spot. I was about to plug in another pack to rip. I only flew one pack. I was having some fun floating around the trees and such, but when I plugged in my other pack, the goggles died. And so the Aomway Commanders, they were they were beeping viciously as if I just like stabbed it or something horrible, and I guess I never heard the sound of it dying because I always use some like RC car massive lipo. Here's what I use. 5200 milliamp hour 2-cell lipo. That's what I use to charge. That's what I use to run the goggles. And I guess I just never really heard what it sounds like when the battery's dead, because I usually charge it like once a month and then it never dies because it sucks almost zero power to run the goggles. But so that's the end of that for today, I guess. So this was a really good spot. Sadly, I don't think I'll be coming here again, or I will, but later on, but not anytime soon, because I'm going to be heading up to Jacksonville because school starts in a few days. But this was a really, really nice spot. I definitely will be coming back here when I come back down to Tampa. But that is all for now. Hope you all hope you all had a nice New Year's Eve, because this will be up on Thursday, which is after that. So yeah, as always, onwards and upward.
Rise again tonight.